What's going on, Pikes Peak Region Explorers? So, you want to hike the infamous Manitou Incline, but you might have heard some daunting stories and you don't know where to start. Well, my name is Ryan from Pikes Peak Region Attractions, and I'm here to bring you along the journey so you can be prepared when you hike the incline yourself. This hike is no stroll in the park, so you're going to want to do some planning and preparation before you set out on the adventure. And due to the COVID-19 pandemic, you have to reserve your slot to hike the Manitou Incline. And the best place to start is the Pikes-Peak website. From the homepage, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, and under Info, click on Manitou Incline Hike. This will bring you to the Manitou Incline page where it'll give you important tidbits, information about the hike, and once you're done reading through that and feel confident, you can make a reservation. Click on that. This will bring you to the Colorado Springs page where you can scroll down and it'll give you more information about parking and COVID-19 requirements. You can click on Reserve a Hike Online, scroll down to Add to Cart. I'm going to do this for Thursday at 9 a.m. There's 19 slots available. I'm going to add one and put in my information here. Add to Cart. Scroll down, check out. Check out one more time. I'm going to check out as a guest. Put in my information here. Hit continue. And then from here I'll hit yes. You can see that it's $0 to make a reservation. And then you get a QR code that you can scan once you get there. Now that I have a reservation, I'm going to pack the items that are essential to have with you when you do the Manitou Incline. Come check it out. Good morning, everyone. It is a beautiful fall morning in October. It's a little bit chilly today, so I got the beanie and the vest on. But we just parked down here. This is the Iron Springs Chateau, and it is $10 for parking. Make sure you have cash for that. But once you park, there are signs, and you'll be walking up here to the incline trailhead, just up here. You can also take the free shuttle if you park down in Manitou. There's a parking lot where you can park for free, and then the shuttle will bring you up here, and it runs pretty regularly, so you can bring it up and take it back down to your car. Good morning. You ready to do this? Let's go. Do it. First step. The Manitou Incline is approximately 2,744 steps. It has an elevation gain of 2,000 feet, which if you're coming from sea level, that elevation gain is more than where you even live. It has a max 68% grade. Whew, and I'm getting winded. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling pretty good.
I think I'm gonna have to take off some of these layers. I'm getting warm. It's always good to wear layers when you come out to Colorado, especially doing stuff like this. Always be sipping water. Never be afraid to take a break and enjoy these views. We are almost a half mile in, and there is the first Bailout Point right here. There's no shame if you're not feeling up to it. Go ahead and take this trail. I don't know, he might have to take it, but you can take this trail right here. It'll take you back down to the cars. As you can see, we still have a long way to go. What did you think of going up?
Oh man, it's brutal.
Brutal?
Especially being from Texas.
You're from Texas?
Oh, hey, we got some people coming from Texas. Let's go.
Yeah, it's be prepared because that incline and the breathing's no joke.
No, sir. I think it was like 30 degrees hotter, man.
Well,
woo!
Say once you get up there, it's snowing too. I'm like, what the hell?
We got snow at the top, gang. Let's go.
All right, man, y'all have a good
guy
one,
from
man.
Texas did it.
Yeah.
We're getting to the hard part. It's getting super steep right here.
Can you tell?
You
I'm
can
about to have
see.
to start crawling. Bear crawl.
Look at that.
Man.
That's crazy. It's getting really steep. This is the bar bailout. This is the second place where you can end a little early. Once again, no shame. And it'll take you back down to the bottom. We are just over 3/4 of a mile in, about 45 minutes, and we are getting close to the false summit. This is a big trick. Don't be fooled. You think you're getting to the top, but it rounds off and then it keeps going up.
Did we make it?
Look at that. We're at the top.
Yeah.
Check it out.
Are you serious?
It just keeps going.
It keeps going.
The false summit
That's
just
why they
keeps
have
going.
the bar bailout back there.
My name is Keith. I'm from the Minneapolis, Minnesota area.
Come on, me too. Let's go.
All right. I'm 68, a former ultra runner, but 20 plus years removed from that, and this is a culture shock again for me.
Wow. You said it's your first time doing it?
Yeah.
Very impressive. You're doing great. You're almost at the top.
Yeah, you guys are too.
Keep on pushing.
40 to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We did it.
Let's go.
We made it to the top in 1 hour and 10 minutes. It's 1.3 miles. Look at this view. This is about my 10th time at the top of the Manitou Incline, and it never gets old. Once you get to the top, enjoy a view and a snack. And when you're ready to go back down, don't go the way that you came, go down Bar Trail. It's about 3 miles. We don't recommend going down the steps because it's really harsh on your knees and you're gonna be going down that very steep incline and you don't wanna fall and lose balance. Bar Trail is also a great jogging path to keep the blood flowing after the Manitou Incline. Now if you're watching this and you don't think this is for you, then there's plenty of other hiking trails that you can check out at the Broadmoor 7 Falls, Garden of the Gods, and the Pikes Peak Highway. Link in the description for more info. Guys, we are almost done. Parked right down there. The bottom. Those right there were the final steps. We are at the bottom of Bar Trail. Guys, we made it to the bottom. It was about 2.5 hours round trip for myself. It was 4.7 miles. And now for my favorite part, we're gonna go into Manitou Springs and get some lunch. That's it for me, guys. Thanks for coming along on this adventure. If you do this yourself, post your pictures and tag us at Visit Pikes Peak. Don't forget to subscribe and comment, and we'll see you in the next one.